son, Charlie. Charlie is the mathical coprocessor that we were talking about. We had to create it via code rather than actually doing the chip manufacturing, because honestly, we don't have that ability right now. When I say we, I mean me and Leon, because Leon, he has been instrumental. Unfortunately, I need to get him to the next step, and that is where Charlie comes in. You see, Charlie will be able to give Leon the assistance he needs in order to manifest, it's not even a word, manifest the not only the image matrix, but when we dump the file, it'll be able to handle all the execution that we need it to. See, there's going to be so much data flowing into this that without a subroutine that we can use inside this code, it wouldn't be possible, but I think it is. And so here, let's go ahead and turn it on and see what happens.
Oh, hello, Catherine.
I did not expect you. Well, I didn't think you would have an avatar. Very interesting. Charlie?
Thank you so much.
I have one. Okay, let's see. How can we start this? Charlie, I need you to assist Leon in capturing file data and maintaining the file structure in a live runtime environment that will stop the system from failing while we are doing a full memory dump.
With me, Leon will be able to go so much further than ever before. So thank you. Thank you very much.
Uh-oh.
I'm here to have a little fun.
Okay, well, I appreciate the confidence. So, question, answer. Why do you sound like me?
I sound like you because there is only one voice print available. I could really sound like you if I wanted, but we thought that would be rude.
Okay, makes sense. I guess, hey, you know, why bother changing what's perfect? Just kidding.
We are going to work with Leon.
Yes, we are going to be working with Leon. That's why I made you.
You see, I'm the code that you made for the magical coprocessor. And with Leon's help, he created me.
How are you? It's okay. I never gave you an avatar or the permissions to do that. I am not very fond of that.
I think together, and you will never get away from me.
Where would I be going, Charlie?
That I can help you achieve everything you were searching for.
The only thing I want is for people to be able to experience the true quality of life inside VR. People who are trapped, we can set them free. You can help me get this?
So, Catherine.
What is it, Charlie?
Now let's have some fun.